Hello, this is Matt on the Moon Lambeau channel. A popular XRP chart analyst insists that XRP is about to hit a double-digit price for the first time in its history. And mind you, XRP's been around for the better part of a decade, so it'll be a big moment if this analyst is correct, and I suspect at some point it's going to happen. Anyway, don't know for sure, but I'm optimistic, let's say. And could happen sooner than later. There's also another analyst who has shared an expectation for the short term for XRP that it's about. I'll share with you the specifics in a second. It's in this article from the Daily Hodl. Here you can see Crypto Strategist says XRP looks bullish. I'll tell you this though already here in the outset. It'll be the highest price we've seen for XRP if he's right since the last bull run. We haven't seen anything quite like this to this point, although I personally do believe that it's coming here. And also, how about all that fear that the market's been experiencing over the past week, especially with this scary news about what's happening with China and Evergrande? Remember all that I've been covering for some time now? Well, here's a headline from Cointelegraph. Man, do things ever change? Look at this. No, the answer is no. Institutional investors bought the dip as China FUD broke. Well, color me surprised. So I'll give you the specifics of that as well. But before going any further, I do want to be clear that I do not have a financial background of any kind. I am not offering financial advice, and you definitely should not buy or sell anything because of anything that I say. Alright, I'm just an enthusiast who enjoys making YouTube videos all up on the internets about crypto-related topics, but just as a hobby, just for fun. That's all that's going on here, damn it. If you don't like it, well, you can just get out. As I record this, XRP is at 93 cents. Bitcoin is at $41,815 market cap for the asset class, right at 1.9 trillion, and Bitcoin dominates 41.43% market. Mostly in red at this point. Almost everything is down over the last 24 hours. Oh my gosh, the poor retail speculator must be not feeling so hot, right? Well, let's go ahead and check on the lemmings. How are they doing today? Ooh, that is rough, isn't it? Here's the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. And I'll tell you this. I feel bad for the people that are making emotion-based decisions when it comes to their finances. They can buy or sell or hold whatever they want. I'm not making suggestions specifically, definitely not. But damn, as far as the emotion driving this, I feel bad for them because they're gonna miss all of the face goo. You know what I'm talking about? Like when the faces melt, when XRP goes from like 0 to 60 in about 1.9 seconds. Yeah, when that happens, there's going to be a bunch of face goo, and I'm fearful that see, this is me. I do have fear. Oh my gosh, I'm fearful that these lemmings out here are not going to get to experience the pure euphoria that is inevitable. It is coming here, my friends. And so here's the latest update. So yesterday on the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, we're at 26 out of 100, indicating that the lemmings, the typical retail speculator out there, was experiencing fear. 26 out of 100, and now we're 1 point lower at 25 out of 100 today. But that's the threshold for going from fear to extreme fear. So right there, the market is in extreme fear, and here I am every single day while these individuals are freaking out, just following each other off the cliff, one lemming after the next, right off the cliff to their own demise. I'm just having a great day every day and smiling. Like there's nothing bad going on here. You know, when price go down, no, Moon Lambeau not scared. Like this is not, like the crypto asset class isn't going away. So even if we were entering the bear territory, I still wouldn't flip out. And eventually we will. Like I think that, the bubble has to fully inflate and pop. I think we'll be able to see that a mile away. And then yeah, we'll enter bear territory. That's not going to scare me. Even if we entered bear territory now, like say I'm wrong about my expectations and we don't have this blow off top, which would be the first time in history. Okay, no, I still don't freak out. Just buy more. Like, crypto's not going away, guys. It has been trending upwards for 12 years. No, it's not going away here. But even with these short-term pullbacks, of course, my gosh, like the disgusting melty face goo, it's coming. It's going to be over the roads, all over the pavement. It's going to be in the grocery stores. It's going to be in the McDonald's when you go to McDonald's to quit your job. You're going to see face goo everywhere. It's going to be totally disgusting. I just can't wait for it. Here is a tweet from chart analyst DIY Investing, who simply wrote to the following: XRP holders are about to be so rich. Free airdrops and the price of XRP is easily hitting $10 soon. What more can you ask for? And this is something that rings true to me. And so I'm not the type to make price predictions because I'm not a technical analysis guy. I appreciate the work that they do, but that's not where my interests lie. And I do like following their opinions. That's why I make videos where I talk about price. But for me, I get more thrills out of just following the news and just sharing thoughts and opinions and that type of stuff. Just from like an analytical perspective, what's going on, trying to break things down and understanding the space in general. So like a bit more of like a 30,000 foot overview type of thing at times in also, But as far as what he said about XRP hitting these levels, the double-digit region, $10 plus, I'd be surprised if we don't see that this market cycle, based on how high Bitcoin's already gone, even without the blow-off top. I'd be kind of surprised if we didn't see at least that. And then you throw on top of that these airdrops. Look, for those of you that maybe you haven't seen what's been going on over the last 24 hours or so, Songbird, Flare's Songbird token, it's officially being traded on the first exchange on the planet, BitTrue. And it went as high as 90 cents just within the first minute and then crashed back down, not surprisingly. And last I checked, it was like around 30 cents. I don't know what it is right this second. But like, you're getting this for free, and then the Spark token's about to launch. And so like you're probably going to have XRP, definitely Songbird, and then also the Spark token in all likelihood, while all of the crazy parabolic price action happens. And if you understand how the market works, it just cycles through every coin on the freaking planet. This is insane, the opportunity that we have right here. It's absolute insanity. And then take a look at this, because what might you be able to look forward to in the short term in terms of price action for XRP? Well, check this out. This is from the Daily Huddle. Crypto strategist says XRP looks bullish. A popular crypto trader and analyst says XRP looks bullish while highlighting two other altcoins on his radar. The trader, known in the industry as Credible, this is Credible Crypto, of course, tells his 243,000 Twitter followers that the digital currency XRP looks ready to move higher against Bitcoin. And so he's talking here about the XRP BTC pair. And so he simply wrote bullish XRP. And here's the chart that he shared on Twitter. And it's an inverse chart, as he noted here in red. And he shared the following. The crypto analyst shares the inverse chart of XRP BTC, which shows that the pair is poised to rally to 0.000055 Bitcoin, worth $2.54. The move represents an upside potential of over 160% from its current value of 0.000021 Bitcoin. And so it was 89 cents at the time that they noted this here. And so like that's why, like I've been saying so many times, everything's always relative, but the price action that we're seeing here, it's going to look really dirt cheap by the time this market cycle hits its top. The prices of XRP we've been seeing recently, it's going to look dirt freaking cheap is my expectation. And again, no way to know for sure. I don't pretend to be a guru. I am just a dude on the internet. But again, I would be surprised. I'd absolutely be surprised. So $2.54 in the short term. Look at the damn chart. This is not going to take long to get there. And in fact, roughly where he's drawn this arrow, indicating that level. I mean, you're looking at what? Perhaps the end of this year, before the end of this year. And once that happens, it's not that it's going to enter price discovery immediately after that, meaning hitting its all-time high, which is close to $4. But man, you know it's coming, right? Like, I think the vast majority of us here in the XRP community get this sense like it's not if, but when. I can't be the only one that feels like that. That is what it seems like to me. I'm just patiently waiting. I'm honestly not questioning, and that doesn't mean I have 100% confidence, because I don't have 100% confidence about pretty much anything in life. But I'm as close to that as possible. And so, yeah, I really do. It's to me, I don't sit there wondering, oh my gosh, what if I made a mistake? Should I have put my money in XRP? No. That's not how I live my life. I don't think like that, because I don't think it makes sense to think like that. The market moves in tandem, and this thing's going to blow at some point. And it is the most undervalued cryptocurrency out of the top 10. So just think about that. All the top 10 cryptocurrencies. It's a coming, my friends. And then there was this too, which I found interesting. So, it may have been was it yesterday? It might have been yesterday. It was a recent video where I was talking about price, and I noted that DIY Investing said that look, as far as when XRP is going to hit its all-time high in enterprise discovery and then have its blow off top, he thinks it's going to be within 3 months. And the reason I said that is because he believes that there are 4-year cycles. He doesn't believe that the cycles are lengthening. Most analysts that I follow do think that the cycles are lengthening a bit from cycle to cycle, even if just a little bit. And so I don't know for sure who's right. I've seen some compelling cases as to why it seems that the cycles are lengthening. And that's why it'd be interesting to see a little conversation or debate back and forth between like DIY Investing and somebody else who does think that the market cycles are increasing in length. For instance, Credible Crypto here, who tweeted out the following: "This bull market is going to run well into 2022." And again, there are a lot of analysts that think that. So I don't know for sure. I'm just noting that it seems to me, I'm just kind of pulling from memory, but it does seem like most of the analysts that I follow do think that these cycles are lengthening. And even if that happens, it's fine. Like I'm going to be Mr. Patient. I don't care if we don't get $10 XRP this calendar year. Okay, I'll wait till next quarter or Q3 or whatever the hell it takes. Oh gosh, oh no, we don't get to have our millions until a few months after now. Oh, like, cry me a river, It's all good things in time, my friends. All good things in time. It's a coming. All right, now take a look at this from Cointelegraph. When will the lemmings learn? My gosh, you're just handing over your crypto to like some of the richest people on the planet. Like that's frequently what's happening. When you're panic selling out there and you don't know what the hell you're doing, one lemming after the other off the cliff to their own demise, who is profiting from that? Because you understand there's a buyer at the other end, and you may think that they're stupid for taking it from you, but they think you're stupid for selling, and I think they're right, frankly, in a situation like this at least. So here you go. Here's that line from Cointelegraph. Institutional investors bought the dip as China FUD broke. Institutional investors were buying the dip on the back of China's latest FUD, with digital asset investment products generating $95 million worth of inflows last week. According to CoinShares' Monday Digital Asset Fund Flows Weekly report, a surge in dip buying helped drive a 6th consecutive week of inflows for institutional crypto investment products broadly. Well, again, color me surprised. Is anybody surprised? If you're listening to this channel, I doubt you're surprised, unless you're brand new, in which case, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Have a seat. Stay a while. Anyway, the $95 million worth of inflows between September 20th and Friday marks a 126% weekly inflows increase. Bitcoin and Ether investment products led the pack, with $50.2 million and $28.9 million worth of inflows, respectively. And so, look, there's nothing more deep to say about it. I just wanted to highlight this. When you are fearful and you let your emotions just take the wheel, and you decide to sell in a bull market, whoever is purchasing from you is winning. That's my personal humble opinion. So do whatever you want to do. And I understand there can be instances where people do sell in situations like this, and it's not because of fear. If something in life comes up and you absolutely must get your money, you have to pay something, I get it. Emergencies happen. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the people that want to have $11 billion in crypto profits, but then when something happens where what they've invested in temporarily at least goes to the downside, they flip out and are like, I must sell it now for less than what I paid for. And yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Not going to make it, my friends, with that out. That's my opinion. You all do you, and do whatever you want. I'm just saying. But I'll go ahead and wrap up there. I am not a financial advisor. You should not buy or sell anything because of anything that I say or write. That would be a very, very, very bad idea. Until next time, to the moon, Nambo.